The brown house in Capitol Hill, a visionary single-family home tucked into Overbeck Alley. This isn't just a house. It's a living, breathing example of sustainable architecture. With materials like black locust wood, cork cladding, and bamboo structural walls, Brown House redefines what it means to live harmoniously with nature. Today, we'll explore how this home strikes the perfect balance between privacy, light, and eco-friendly living. At the heart of Brown House is a philosophy: healthy materials create healthy lives. Using natural and recognizable materials like cork, bamboo, and hemp, this home fosters an environment that feels authentic and timeless. Unlike generic drywall spaces, every corner of Brown House invites a visceral connection, making it not just a house, but a space that truly feels like home. The design of Brown House is both functional and future-proof. Its ground-floor bedroom-bathroom suite ensures accessibility, while a central daylit stairway leads to the second floor and rooftop. The layout adapts seamlessly to various needs, supporting efficient and long-term living. From balconies to a rooftop garden, every space is crafted to enhance both privacy and natural light. Brown House doesn't just use materials, it celebrates them. Exposed bamboo panels stained with polyway, cork-finished ceilings, and black locust slats blend durability with sustainability. These materials, sourced locally and with a low carbon footprint, reduce energy demands and showcase the potential of eco-conscious construction. One of the home's standout features is its rooftop garden. With planter beds capable of supporting a significant portion of the residents' diet, this space connects modern living with nature. Rainwater collected on the roof is stored in cisterns and used for irrigation, ensuring that every drop of water is maximized, reinforcing the house's commitment to sustainable living. Brown House is part of a broader mission to address DC's housing shortage by developing innovative alley homes. Recent legislation encourages projects like this, which transform underutilized spaces into vibrant, livable environments. Brown House exemplifies how these designs can solve site-specific challenges while contributing to urban density. brown house is more than just a structure. It's a statement. From its natural materials to its efficient design, it embodies the promise of a healthier, more sustainable future. With birds already nesting in its protected spaces, this home proves that thoughtful design can make a difference not just for its residents, but for the environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Brown House, an inspiration for the homes of tomorrow.